The building is Sunbeauty's core, where the operational departments are located, housing operational departments with 100 employees. Experiencing rapid growth of 30% annually, we offer free design support, helping you develop eye-catching artwork, logos, and graphics for your party supplies. Welcome to our showroom, featuring over 2,000 of our latest styles and products for your viewing pleasure. From exquisite decorations to stylish designs, our showroom showcases the very best of Sunbeauty's craftsmanship and innovation. Our production consists of over 100 employees who create the highest level of handicraft. We focus on handmade objects and their uniqueness, and we also offer customization to the customer's preference. Sunbeauty has a production plant area of 58,000 square meters. Our factory houses over 20 machines for party decoration production, including die cutting, printing, and laminating machines. We can customize pattern designs and shapes of the party decorations, and supplies products according to customer requirements. We can also update the technology according to the product requirements of different countries. Our current process includes CMYK printing, Pantone color printing, hot stamping, polishing oil, laser, etc. We produce about 50 million products per year for all occasions, and each bulk goes through the quality. Sunbeauty warehouse is over 3,000 square meters. Up to the 4th floor, stores over 2,500 pallets of our products. The warehouse has 50 staff and ships over 150,000 items per day. These packages are carefully packaged and shipped to over 70 countries around the world. We invite you to cooperation.